Good morning and welcome dear students to all in English video class. In today's class we are going to solve all exercises of your book lesson number 26 and active and passive voice. This exercise has been given on page number 126 of your book. You can open the book and then check the exercise. So the first exercise is talking about to changing the voice. If the sentence is given in active voice, you have to change into passive, and if it is given in passive, you have to change into active voice. So without waste of time, let us begin the class. First says he has signed all the checks. So I told you before changing any voice, you have to first recognize the tenses of the given sentence. So has signed is given. Has signed means it is talking about a present perfect, no? Present perfect. So if there is present perfect, you have to simply use what? Been, no? Been, you have to simply use been plus third form. So the answer will be all the checks have, because checks is plural, this is plural subject, have been then signed by, he becomes him. I will give you all the answers in downside, don't worry. Just this sentence is for your understanding. I will just I'm explaining it. So all the checks have been signed by him. Clear? See the second one, a new book has been written by him. Student, now this sentence is already given in passive voice. Here you have to change into active. So just opposite we will follow. Now see here been is given, so we will remove been and things will be same. So what will be answer? That he has written a new book. Clear, student? My writing is not so much clear here, but try to understand please. All the things, all the answers will be given here in this video. So he has written, see, has written is given in present perfect tense, and simply we use been, but we remove been because we have to change into active voice. Clear? Number 3, who stole the flowers? Okay, who stole the flowers? See that this is an interrogative sense, flowers. So who stole the flowers? इसकी हिंदी अगर देखें तो फ्लावर को किसने चुराया, और इसको पैसिव वॉइस बनाएंगे तो ये होगा कि किसके थ्रू फ्लावर्स चुराए गए या किसके द्वारा फ्लावर्स चुराए गए. तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, दैट आंसर विल बी बाय whom were. Okay, by whom were the flowers stolen. Okay, by whom were the flowers stolen. Clear? Question number 4, the car knocked down the old man. See, knocked down. Okay, simple past. Second form of the verb is simple past. And if there is simple past, what you have to use? Remember the rules, was, where, third form. So answer will be the old man is a singular, so there will be was knocked down by the car. Okay, the old man was knocked down by the car. Clear? Number 5, we could hear the children wailing outside in the garden. Okay, we could hear the children wailing outside in the garden. So what will be answer? See that. Just wait, student. Okay, so first of all object becomes subject and then subject becomes object. So here you will first of all you will take the children. Okay, the children will be subject, the children. Then after, now here is could. Okay, so with the model we use be. Okay, could be heard. Now this is the structure. If there is any model we use be plus third form of the verb. So the children could be heard. What they could be heard? Wailing outside in the garden. The children could be heard wailing outside in the garden. Clear? One more I will explain you. Number 6. So number 6 says your generosity will be remembered. Now will be remembered by your friend. Will be remembered means you have to change into active voice. This is given in passive. So it's very simple. What will be the answer? You can see that your friends simply will you will take, because with simple future we are just going to use only be, but in active voice your friend will remember your generosity. Clear? Your friend will remember your generosity. So it's clear. And number 7 says efforts are being made by the airline to locate this baggage. Okay, so for this answer now I will see the airline is making effort to locate this baggage. Clear? Number 7 says if, okay, 7 is done. 8 is the board has not declared the result of class 10. Answer will be the class 10th result has not been declared by the board. Clear? Number 9, Alibaba told the cave's secrets to Qasim confidently. So you can check the answer given here. So student, there are some points, some examples or some exercises that is given. So all the answers are given here. You can check and then fill your book. Now let's move towards the next exercise, that is exercise B. What to do here? Here you have to identify the sentence that are given that are in active voice and those are in passive voice by writing A and P against them respectively. Okay, so very simple this exercise. You have to simply write A for active voice and you have to write P for passive voice. Nothing you have to going to change. You have to recognize it. You have to identify. Okay, so see, he was taught by his uncle. Very simple. Passive. Okay, passive given was plus third form. Okay, so passive. Oh, just wait. Was plus third form, passive. Second says books are the best friend anyone can have. So there is no third form, so simply active. Someday she will be a doctor. Someday she will be talking about inactive sense. Then number 4, the house was built by them. See that, built by third was plus third form, then after by. This is passive. You will learn nothing if you spend your time. देखो, P will plus simple form, it means it is the future simple future tense. It's very simple. It's an active. Okay. The tap was left running. Was के साथ third form, it means it is a passive. The nurse helped the patient up. Okay. The nurse helped the patient up is very simple. It is an active. A new toy was brought. Was के साथ third form, it means this is passive. Clear? So this answer is I'm just making you understand, and then after writing, don't worry, all the answers will be given in written form. Clear? Number 9, the bell was caught by Nitin. Was caught means passive. Okay. The new dress may lose color in the wash. May lose, very simple, active. The active sense 10th is what? In active sense, the error was not noticed, passive. Gold has become very expensive, active. There has been no change in the program till now. Okay, that is the 13. No, so 13 is passive. Has been no change. Okay. 14 is her friend is bringing. Is very simple. The same is given in active. The schools are closed. R के साथ third form, it means this is in passive. Clear? All the answers I have written here. You can check. Okay, exercise C, put a tick against the sentences which can be rewritten with the verb in the passive voice and put a cross against that cannot be have. The same is given. So I have done all the answers here. You can check the answer. I hope that these things are now no need of explanation. Things are given here. I have given all the answers like this form, tick and cross. Okay, so you can do in your book. Okay, now last exercise D. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the voice from active to passive or passive to active. This is passive, okay, not massive, it is passive. I hope that you can get. Okay, passive. So I will explain 1 or 2 sentences, then all the things has been already explained to you. So directly I will give you answer. Clear? I taught him to play chess. Very simple, is an active sentence. Okay, active sentence taught is given. So you can write that he was taught chess by me. I taught him to play chess. मैंने उसको chess खेलना सिखाया, है ना? But if you want to say in passive, so that means he was taught chess by me, कि मेरे थ्रू उसको चेस सिखाया गया. So he was taught chess by me. Clear? Amit broke Anu's doll. सिंपल पास, सो वॉज वेयर का कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो यहाँ पे आएगा. तो व्हाट विल बी आंसर? सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट Anu's dog, then this is an singular subject, was will be taken, was broken. Okay, was broken by Amit. Clear? The policeman wrote the complaint of the victim. So very simple, what will the answer? The victims, सबसे पहले आप victim लेंगे. So the victim's complaint was written by the policeman. Okay. Number 4, she was not recognized by her own step-sister. So answer will be her own step-sister could not recognize her. Okay. Clear? Number 5, the doctor treated the patient for burns. So answer will be the patient was treated for burns by the doctor. Okay. Number 6, Hamlet's father was poisoned by his own brother. Okay, answer will be his own brother poisoned Hamlet's father. Clear? Then 7, Cinderella's wish was granted by the fairy godmother. The fairy godmother granted Cinderella's wish. Okay. Was this essay written by you? Did you did you write this? I told you that where there is did concept, no, where there is concept of did, you have to was and where is to be used. Okay. And in the same, if there is a concept of does, do, does, what you have to use is am, are plus third form. That all the things I have been explained already. If you have not seen, please watch the video, the last we have done. Okay. So I hope, student, all the exercises we have finished here, and if you have any doubt you can do comment in comment box. Okay. One homework I just want to give you. Okay, I want to give you one homework. You have to write all the homework in comment box. All the answers you have to do in comment box. Okay. Only one. Okay, I will write first. Just wait. This is for your homework. You have to do in comment. You have to write in comment box. Okay, I will do now. This you have to just wait. Okay, you have to do comment. Okay, answer, do comment. Let me see that how many students are just getting my sense. So I will give only 2 sentences. First is he makes a pot. You have to change into passive voice. Oh, he makes pots. Okay, one more I will give you. Okay, that will be very tough for you. The crown. Okay, second I will give the CROWN. The crown has been STOLEN, stolen. Okay, so one is inactive, one is in active. So in both these both sentences you have to write the answer in comment box. Okay, so I hope that things are clear. Now do answer in comment box. This is for you. So let me think, let me understand that you are getting all my points or not. So student, till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.